Hi, I hope you've been enjoying my free mini lessons on oil painting demos. One of the biggest concerns I hear from my students, over 25,000 worldwide, is that they don't understand the fundamentals of creating oil paintings. It's hard to get going when you don't know the basics and you don't have an instructor to help you dive in. Most students have a particular issue with oil painting, whether it's materials, values, or mixing, something that's holding them back from creating the paintings that they envision. I'm here to help you overcome your hesitation with my 6-week intensive online workshop, which I put together to guide you step by step to create oil paintings that you'll be really proud of. The best part about my landscape and oil workshop is that you'll be joining a community of artists that are working towards the same goals, and you'll be doing the assignments at the same time as the other students. At the end of the workshop, we'll meet live, discuss the assignments, and I'll review selected pieces for critique. How does an online workshop work? First, as soon as you sign up, you'll see the materials list and an outline of the assignments, so you can get prepared before the workshop begins. Second, on the day the workshop begins, you'll receive your assignments. There are 2 assignments each week covering various aspects of the landscape, capturing light, trees, clouds, water, sunsets, and much more. You'll be doing the assignments at the same time as the other participants. Third, once you've finished an assignment, you'll upload it to the student gallery. Once you've uploaded your work, you can click on the other students' work and make comments. This is a chance to contribute to a truly unique aspect of this online workshop, the opportunity to interact with other students and encourage each other along the way. I also comment on as many submissions as I can during the session. Studying other students' work allows you to see the variety of approaches and how you might improve your own work. You can go at your own pace, rework, and upload your assignments as many times as you want, so there is great opportunity for intense growth. Finally, after the 6-week workshop is over, I'll send you an invitation for the live workshop review. You'll be able to talk with me directly as I review and critique several students' pieces for each assignment. This is an intimate, non-competitive environment where you can get to know your fellow artists. Be sure to take advantage of a bonus I'm including for you in this workshop. One of the most common complaints I get from students is they aren't sure what to paint. Over the years, I've traveled across the United States and taken thousands of photos of places that have inspired me as an artist. I've compiled 200 of my favorites and included these in the workshop materials. You can create your own original pieces from these or just enjoy them as inspiration. I've also included a step-by-step ebook I wrote called How to Make Great Paintings from Photos, which will help you turn these photos into your own unique oil paintings. Remember, if you need help with anything, we've got a great support team standing by to answer all of your questions. If they don't know the answer, they'll contact me and I'll send a reply right away. They'll help you with any technical issues, accessing the workshop, or billing issues. I worked really hard to create a one-of-a-kind online workshop that will get you motivated and take your painting to the next level. Be sure to sign up today to take advantage of the early bird special discount. You'll get everything included in the workshop plus the bonus. Click the button below and join, and I'll see you very shortly online when the Landscape and Oil workshop begins.